Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another GeoFS fun flight. Friends, I'm hoping today I've got you someplace a little more populated, and you'll be able to figure out where it is and make those guesses down in the comments. Of course, friends, I'm going to play a couple tunes from Audio Hero, which is a TubeBuddy perk. If you have not tried TubeBuddy before, there is a link in the description so you can give it a shot. Audio Hero is part of a paid subscription, but TubeBuddy has a ton of cool features that work with the free version as well. Alright, friends, with that out of the way, I'm going to turn on the music and let's get cracking. Alrighty friends, so there you have it, another fun flight. Hopefully this one's got enough visual clues that you can figure out where it's at. If you do have a guess, make sure you put it down in the comments below. And of course friends, don't forget there is also a link in the description so you can try out TubeBuddy. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.